Alright, I'm going to start the day right before the group break. I owed a couple of preferred boxes to Chandra and 7 Mojo. I was going to go and do those real fast. I did meet the UPS this morning, picked up a lot of reloads and stuff. So, just one of them. Alright, where's the smooth side? Smooth side, alright, like that. That's how it would be if I was rolling. You're getting box, make sure I have these numbers right, Chandra, 2, 7, and 9. 2, that's 3, this is 4, this is going to be 7 Mojo. And there you go, 7 Mojo, that'll be yours. So where was I? Well, let's just start from the bottom. 10, 9, 8, and 7. There we go. That will be that. So these 3 are yours, Chandra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our leftovers. Set them over there for now. And here we go. Yeah, I was making sure I had the numbers right. Yep, 2, 7, and 9. 2014, 15 preferred. Let's add these back. There we go. Okie dokie. We'll do the books first. Here we go, Chandra. Starting off, numbered to 99, stat line. Looks like Kobe. That's because it is Kobe. Kobe looks just like Kobe. It's just a jersey, but still a nice card. Big chunk of jersey. Acetate book card. That one is 82 of 99. Next, the patch version of Aaron Gordon. Must be Kobe. Looks like him, smells like him. Must be. Nice chunk in this one. Aaron Gordon. Big rookie patch. That one is 15 of 25. There. And this one is 99, James Young. Just jersey with a wrinkle. You got the 1-of-1 wrinkle version. Alright, here we go. On to the cards. Starting off, number 2, is that 49? Noah Vonleh. Noah Vonleh. Next, Alex English. Alex English, the purple version, 9 of 20. Feels like a silhouette. Is it a patch? Nope. Still a nice one. Marcus Smart, 53 of 99 rookie silhouette. Jersey. There you go. This one is 5 of 5, Mark Aguirre. It's the Emerald Spalding Ball. Mark Aguirre. Next, looks like Tristan, 17 of 35. Tristan Thompson. Another silhouette, but just a jersey. 99, Jordan Adams. Up and Adams. Another ball, numbered to 99, Spencer Dinwiddie. That one's 93 of 99. Number 249, Rodney Hood. 40 of 49. Last pack of it all will be Jabari. You did get a Jabari Parker. That's nice. 18 of 49. Jabari Parker rookie card. Autograph. And you did get a pretty cool patch and stuff, so. Okay. There you go. That's it, Chandra. Once again, sorry for that couple of day delay there, but I'll put this with the other stack. See you, bud.